today we're going to take a look at one of the neighborhoods of the house dance located at Barangay Pampang. I'm Carmina and welcome to our first ever home review and tour of the house dance. We would definitely be doing more of these, so I could highly recommend that you like, follow, and subscribe at The House Dance Official.
Hi! Hello everyone! Welcome home!
Please come in.
Yan.
This is my friend Divine.
Hi!
She would accompany us sa tour na to and wow, very spacious ha.
Yes, so as you can see upon entering this model unit, you can see the whole house actually. It's an open plan layout. You can see everything. So this is the living area. You could watch your kids while you're cooking in the kitchen or while you're eating here. This is our dining area.
And we have more space here. Let's give them an idea. How big is this place?
Actually, this model unit is 95.6 square meters in floor area, and it's situated in a 180 square meter lot. So very spacious.
Very spacious, and you definitely get the value for your money. I believe the unit comes with this na, di ba?
Yes, it comes with this countertop, this bar, and then the hanging cabinets and the modular cabinets as well.
Perfect. What do we have here?
Of course, we have a common toilet and bath here for your guests. We have 3 bedrooms, all located dito sa taas, second level. And we also have common toilet and bath here.
Here, we're just giving you an idea. Of course, fully customizable siya according to your preference and liking.
And of course, we have a balcony over here. Coffee ka lang dyan sa balcony. So this neighborhood also comes with complete amenities.
Wow.
Yeah, what you got?
We have so much in store for you guys.